Good morning, it's Saturday and I'm starving. I forgot to eat yesterday. Well, no, I had lunch and forgot to eat last night. This is my first full day here in Chiang Mai and I'm searching for breakfast and I've stumbled across this place here. This is called Mrs.Clean Laundry Cafe and it's the only place open because it's like about 7 o'clock in the morning. So, but I'm glad it's open and I'm glad I found it because it's really, really funky, hey. Just on the outside you can see. I love all the chairs that they've got here. And have a look at this. The old gas cylinders, which they've just made into a table and a seat. This is what I've ordered for breakfast, which is a KGL, which is rice and egg. I have a ginger tea. And there's another thing when you come here is to try this out. If I can do it with one hand, well, I'm not going to be able to. In here is these chili, spicy chili. Oh, it's bloody beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And they have a large menu, which is over there. And yeah, so you can get your laundry and you can also obviously get food here. I'm just going to duck in. She said it was all right. Sadi Cup.
Sadi ka.
And this is Mrs. Clean?
Yes,
Yes.
my name is D.
D.
Yes, my name is D. D-E-A.
Oh, you did that, Rujak.
ยินดีได้รู้จักค่ะ
How long have you had business for?
Actually quite long already before COVID start, and then we have to close because of COVID. Yeah, for about 2 years, and then reopen again about almost 3 years already.
3
Yeah.
years, yes. A very nice restaurant, Ranahan, Chop Ma.
Yeah, because of some people told us like, oh, it's a little bit strange the combination about the cafe and laundry service. Yeah.
Right, so you can put laundry in and finish in one day?
Yeah, yes, you can do in one day. Normally, it's regular service is 24 hours.
Okay.
Yeah, but if you are in hurry, you can do in 10 hours for express.
Okay.
Yeah.
And as per kilo?
Per kilogram is start from 50 baht per kilogram.
50
Yeah.
baht from per
For the regular service.
Okay.
Yeah, and then if you want express, it's 70 baht per kilogram.
Okay,
Yeah, and if you want iron, you pay 20 baht more per kilogram. That's it.
okay.
Yeah.
Very reasonable. So this is a D
Yes.
from Mrs. Clean Laundry, and you can sit inside and they have some little kittens that you can
Yes,
see.
we have 4 cats.
They have 4 cats. There's
Yeah.
one. This one's really
Yes.
shy. And the other 2 are around.
Another
so-
3 is they grow up already, so they just walk around another neighborhood loop.
Okay.
Yes.
Are you from Chiang Mai?
Yes, original. Yeah.
Original Chiang
Yeah,
Mai.
150%.
And your
Yeah.
family?
Yes, also.
Also?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. And you live here?
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah. But my family live outside the town.
Outside of
Yeah,
town?
yeah.
Okay. Well, thank you so much for your time, and I'm going to enjoy my breakfast.
Yeah, you're welcome and enjoy your omelette. Okay.
Okay, ขอบคุณมากครับ
Take care ค่ะขอบคุณค่ะ
There you go, what a lovely lady. And it's a good vibe here, man. I'm sitting right on the street. I'll just give you a shot of kind of where I'm sitting. So, like, you're right on the street, which I love, you know. So you've got all the motorbikes and cars and trucks and, you know, it's really quiet at the moment. So I'll just give you one more look at this place. Mrs. Clean Laundry Cafe. Google my business. I'll leave a link down below. And she has reviews in Google and all that sort of stuff, and it's right next to the 7, okay, right there, so you can't miss it. It's very funky and very unusual, but I love it. Okay, I'm about to get run over. I'm going to enjoy my brekkie and see what else happens today. Okay, what do we got? We got a beautiful omelette. It's like some chili sauce, the rice, and this cup of tea. I can't wait to have my cup of tea.